and Hope out of Frankfort, Kentucky, as our class sponsor. Watch the gate, if you would please. Make that turn now, ladies, early as you approach our gate area. What a beautiful class from our fine harness division. The elegance of our fine harness horses complemented by our lady drivers tonight. This World Championship is underway and showing at the Park Trot Plays. Jim Taylor handles the call. Park Trot. Thank you, ladies. Down to the animated walk, please. Back to the animated walk. Brought to you by Horses and Hope of Frankfort, Kentucky. A beautiful collection of our fine harness entries and their lady drivers. Animated walk, please. On the reverse now, ladies, and we'll continue at the animated walk, please. Reversing with the fine harness horses now, continuing at the animated walk. H. Leon Sargent Memorial Trophy will be our special trophy awarded to our ladies fine harness champion. We'll be showing it a Park Trot Please second direction, ring full of wonderful fine harness champions and their lady whips. They compete for the World's Championship tonight. Showing it a Park Trot Please. Lady drivers, thank you very much. Down to the animated walk, please. Down to the animated walk. We are calling now for the lineup. Ladies, we would appreciate it if you would use both sides of center ring to line up. Your safety is our top priority. A beautiful, beautiful class. Fine harness horses, lady drivers, lined up, please. Horses and Hope out of Frankfort, sponsoring for us tonight. Brought to you by Horses and Hope of Frankfort, Kentucky. Class number 173, a very enjoyable fine harness championship offered from our ladies fine harness division. The H. Leon Sargent Memorial Trophy will be awarded to our ladies fine harness champion and is donated annually by the Friends of Sarge. Sarge, as many of you remember, the official photographer here for many, many years and one of the industry leaders in equine photography. Saddlebred Sidewalk Brick at the American Saddlebred Museum, Lexington. That has been donated by Elizabeth Garib. Show Horse Magazine out of Tennessee serves as the trophy donor. Winner of this class just 1 year ago, it was Our Brilliant Belle, the entry owned by Priscilla Segai's Revocable Trust. Joining us in the winner's circle to represent H. Leon Sargent for the Memorial Trophy will be Wes and Jill Hall. R.T. Huggins joins us, representing the trophy donor, the Show Horse Magazine. Mary Midkiff and Connie Sorrell also joining us in the winner's enclosure. Out of the lineup to your left and on down to the winner's circle, ladies and gentlemen, a unanimous decision tonight. The ladies' fine harness champion again. It's Brilliant Belle and Linda Frieseth. Back number 1345 with a big smile en route to the winner's circle. Linda Frieseth guides the ladies fine harness world champion with a back-to-back victory here at the World's Championships. Our Brilliant Belle, owned by the Priscilla Segai's Revocable Trust, Minnetonka, Minnesota, sired by Joe Fabulous out of Finally in Tune, and the breeder, Spencer R. Maines, Linda Frieseth, with that World Championship drive. Second in the class, the reserve world champion. Here's 222. It's Tempt Me. Sally McClure Jackson, Overland Park, Kansas, sired by Dorian Wild Temper. Out of the mare, Marty Jones. Tiffany Wheeler on the lines. We'll finish up in the reserve spot. Third going to entry 1078. Here's Happy Boy. Happy Boy is owned by Elizabeth Goth, LLC of Lebanon, Kentucky. Elizabeth the Whip. Happy Boy is third. Fourth tonight for the ladies, entry 791. It's Aldemar's Crystal Pistol. Sired by Nutcracker out of Champion Crystal Illusion, the Broodmare Hall of Fame mare, owned, driven, and bred by Atlanta-based Janet M. Kellett. Fifth to entry 1054, it's Lady Vol. Chris Kaplan, the whip for plastic and reconstructive surgery out of Columbia. Starred by Slam Dunk HG out of Believers Creation. 6th, the green ribbon to 1082. Here's champion, His Supreme Reflection. Joy D. Warren, entry of Houston, Texas, starred by Supreme Air out of Beat the Odds. Joy Warren is 6th. 7th, offered now to 512. Here's True Fortune. Frank and Iris James out of Beaver Creek, Ohio. Mount View's Heir to Fortune, the sire, out of Truly in Style with Cindy Maloney. And rounding out the ribbon winners, 473, here's Sir Frank Sinatra. Pleasant Valley Stable, Vacaville, California. Jen Hess with a nice drive, sired by Sir William Robert out of Elegant Sky as the final ribbon winner. 2013 was the world's champion. And if you were with us in 2011, our brilliant belle was the junior fine harness world champion, driven in victory that night by Jim Taylor, one of our judges here tonight. Linda Frieseth, back-to-back, the world title, heads back to the state of Minnesota. Our brilliant belle, Joe Fabulous, out of Finally in Tune. Linda Frieseth, picture perfect, down victory lane. 13:45,